Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, like you may have already read in the title, I'm going to be sharing with you all products which I will never ever stop repurchasing, okay? Because in products को मैंने इतनी बार ही repurchase कर लिया and these are like my holy grail products. Like ये मेरे skin में इतने अच्छे से काम करते हैं and these are products that I just cannot replace. So yeah guys, if you want to know which those products are, then please continue watching. So when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation and dark spots, जो दो most common and popular ingredient है which even dermatologists recommend is alpha arbutin as well as kojic acid. Okay, now आपको separately ये दोनों ही ingredients के बहुत ही different products different brands के मिल जाएंगे in the market, but the one that I personally love using is the kojic acid serum and face wash by Dermaco, and the reason is because these products contain the power of two actives, which is kojic acid as well as alpha arbutin, and along with this it also contains niacinamide in it. So let me start with the first product. So this is the 1% kojic acid face wash. Now this also contains 1% kojic acid, 1% niacinamide as well as alpha arbutin, and when you regularly use this face wash for cleansing your face at least twice in a day, this will also really help in reducing your dark spots and pigmentation. This face wash stays super gentle on the skin and does not feel dry post washing because it does not strip out the essential moisture of the skin while cleansing. Also, it foams up really well and it is effectively formulated for all skin types. So I personally love using this face wash because मुझे dark spots और pigmentation की बहुत ही ज़्यादा issues है. So when even my face wash contains these sort of actives like kojic acid and alpha arbutin, तो जो dark spots removal का process है वो और ज़्यादा speed up हो जाता है, right? Because I'm also using the face wash which contains actives, then I will also be using the serum which also contains those actives, right? So जो process होता है of reducing the dark spots and hyperpigmentation become even more faster, and that is why I love using this face wash. Now once I'm done using this face wash, I also love to use this 2% kojic acid face serum again by the Dermaco because इसमें भी niacinamide और alpha arbutin है. So this serum can be used both during the daytime as well as during the night time, but I personally love using this only during the night time. So kojic acid penetrates the skin to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots and blemishes, and 1% alpha arbutin controls the production of melanin, and this serum helps to even out the skin tone and minimizes the recurrence of discoloration. If you don't believe me, 80% of users saw a reduction in pigmentation with regular use. Now whenever you're using actives, it is also very important to use a good broad spectrum sunscreen during the daytime because to avoid any sort of further sun damage to your skin. So the sunscreen that I would highly recommend you to try out is the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel again by the Dermaco, and this is the bigger tube of it. So this comes in 80 grams and this also contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, as well as this is also 100% fragrance free. So the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel has the power of SPF 50 and PA rating of 4+ formulation, and it also comes now in 80 gram value pack which also lasts longer. Also it is super lightweight, fragrance free and dissolves like water onto your skin, and the effective combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E helps to fight sun damage while also reducing fine lines, wrinkles and making your skin soft like butter. ये तीनों ही products मेरे literally holy grail products है, तो मैंने इतनी बारी repurchase कर लिया है because these are so damn effective. So even if you wish to buy any other products from Dermaco or these products itself, then you can get them at a flat 20% discount by using my coupon code which is mentioned right here. Also now all the new Dermaco products are 100% fragrance free, and I also really appreciate Dermaco's initiative wherein every time you make a purchase through their website, they will link your order to a child that they are helping educate along with Bhumi, and they have also pledged to educate 10,000 plus students across the year. The next product that I will never ever stop repurchasing is this one by Face Shop. So this is the Rice Water Bright Rich Cleansing Oil, and इसका condition आप देख ही सकते हो. This is completely over, बस इतना सा यहाँ पे बाकी है, and I've already placed my order for a new one. So basically this is the only cleansing oil that I love to use. मतलब मैंने इतने सारे cleansing balms and butters and पता नहीं क्या क्या try कर लिया है market में, because that's my job, right? I have to keep on trying new products. But ये एक product है that I just literally cannot stop repurchasing and using because ये इतना ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली गुड क्लेंजिंग ऑयल गाइज एंड विच ऑल्सो इमल्सिफाइज. ठीक है, तो इसको आपको बस थोड़ा सा पंप आउट करना है एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू मसाज योर एंटायर फेस इंक्लूडिंग योर आईज, लिप्स. मतलब आपको कोई भी तरीके का मेकअप निकालना हो तो ये क्लेंजिंग ऑयल को आप बस उस एरिया पे अच्छे से मसाज करिए, जेंटली मसाज करिए एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट वॉश इट ऑफ विथ प्लेन वाटर. एंड बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो इमल्सिफाइज, ये बिल्कुल भी कोई भी ऑयली रेसिड्यू नहीं लीव करता है एंड ये बहुत अच्छे से आपकी स्किन को एकदम ही क्विकली इट गेट्स रिड ऑफ ऑल द मेकअप क्वाइट इफेक्टिवली, इवन वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप. ओके, सो इस पर भी 2 वर्जन्स आते हैं, बट द वन दैट आई लव टू यूज़ इज़ द रिच क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. इसमें एक लाइटर वर्जन भी आता है, बट दिस रिच क्लेंजिंग ऑयल वर्क्स रियली वेल फॉर रिमूविंग योर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक और योर वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा, आईलाइनर, सब बहुत अच्छे से ये निकाल देता है. माई नेक्स्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट विच आई विल नेवर स्टॉप रीपर्चेजिंग इज दिस लेयर वाटर गर्ल मिस्टिक आइलैंड फ्रेग्रेंट बॉडी स्प्लैश. ओके, नाउ दिस हैज़ बीन अ recent discovery honestly, but I am absolutely in love with this body splash guys. मतलब इसका प्राइस इज़ ओनली 195 एंड अमेजोन पे तो आपको ये लिटरली कुछ 140-150 के आसपास ही पड़ जाएगा. एंड ओ माई गॉड गाइज, इसका जो फ्रेग्रेंस है इट इज़ सो डिवाइन, इट इज़ सो, आई वुड से एक स्वीटनेस है, एक फ्लोरल टच है इसमें एंड ये fragrance literally lasts on me forever, especially when I'm spraying this on my clothes. My clothes literally smell the same for at least 3-4 days if I'm not washing it. ये इतना long lasting fragrance है guys. So personally ये जब भी मैं लगाती हूँ I prefer spraying this on my clothes rather than on my body because ये मेरे clothes पे better long lasting है. And obviously because the fragrance is long lasting, it will project the fragrance throughout the day and that is why I really love this fragrance. मतलब अभी मेरे ये recent discovery है but I am 100% sure that I will never ever stop repurchasing this. And if you are also into like sweet fragrances then definitely get your hands on this one. And my last favorite product is this particular lipstick which I'm also currently wearing. So this is by Swiss Beauty and this is in the shade bronze. Okay, now this is I believe the non-transfer waterproof lipstick formula. It comes in this kind of a packaging and इस तरीके का आपको बुलेट मिल जाएगा. सो एज यू कैन सी बहुत ही अच्छा ब्यूटिफुल शेड है. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल nudish pink shade for medium to dusky skin tone girls and I personally love wearing this shade. मतलब ये ऐसा एक शेड है ना, if I don't know कि मेरे को कौन सा कलर किस पे पहनना चाहिए, this is a shade that works with all outfits, with all types of colors, whether you're wearing a light outfit or a darker outfit as well, because this is such a beautiful nude shade guys. मतलब ये ऐसा एक शेड है ना which is like my lips but better kind of a shade. And again this is a very nice comfortable lipstick. आपको बिल्कुल फील नहीं होगा कि आपने एक मैट लिपस्टिक वेयर किया है एंड इसका फॉर्मूला इज़ रियली गुड, वेरी कंफर्टेबल, अगेन वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड मोर देन द फॉर्मूला एंड एवरीथिंग आई पर्सनली लव द शेड ऑन मी एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई विल नेवर एवर स्टॉप रीपर्चेजिंग. एंड ये शेड आपने मेरे को देखा ही होगा, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ माई वीडियोज़ में I love to wear nude lipsticks basically and this is one such lipstick that I keep on reaching out to because मुझे ये शेड इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है. So yeah guys, इसका भी डायरेक्ट लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हो. Please do let me know in the comment section आपको और कौन से टाइप के वीडियोज़ देखना पसंद है. Do you like makeup tutorials? Do you like these kind of videos where I'm sharing with you all new products? So let me know in the comment section below. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.